The best natural look blush. If you're someone that likes a no makeup look, or perhaps you're just someone that likes to wear a touch of makeup but you want your makeup to look really chic and elegant, then you are absolutely going to become obsessed with this blush here. It gently sculpts my cheekbones. It also catches the light and makes my cheekbones look higher and more lifted, as well as giving my complexion a really rested glow. You can also apply this blush to your eyelids too. You're gonna absolutely love this blush.